Hello, Aslam alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Technology. Subscribe, like and share करें मेरा YouTube चैनल। आज का हमारे टॉपिक है कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में। सॉफ्टवेयर computer instruction or data, anything that can be stored electronically. Software examples: MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, spreadsheets, library management system, etc. Types of software: system software, application software. System software: the system software consists of the operating system and all the utilities that enable the computer to function. System software actually controls the hardware so that application software can perform any action or task. Example: operating system, compiler, loader, linker, interpreter, and etc. Types of system software: operating system, utilities, device drivers, language translators. Application software: application software includes programs that do real work for user. Example: payroll system, inventory control, manage student database, word tracer, spreadsheets, and database management system, etc. Application software. Categories of application software, types of application, forms of application software. Categories of application software: business software, graphic and multimedia, home, personal, education, and communication. Types of application software: proprietary, in-house, contract, off-the-shelf, customized, packaged. Application software: actually the application software consists of the programs that are designed to make users more comfortable or productive to assist personal tasks. The application software is present on computer hard disk. Application software can also be stored on CDs, DVDs, and flash or keychain storage devices. Types of application software: proprietary. Proprietary software is a licensed software under exclusive legal right of owner. In-house software, we develop application with the help of company resources. Off the shelf, an existing software program that can be used without any changes expected. Contract: the software which is developed for a specific company for their requirement. Forms of application software: package software, a software which is sold in a bundle due to similar function of programs. Example: Microsoft Office, Word, Windows, CD. Shareware is actually delivered free of charge, but sometimes the owner asks for money to get registered so that they can send updates in future. It can be compiled but cannot be sold. Example: DIN numbers, Microsoft Office. Public domain software. Public domain software is a totally free and it is not copyrighted, plus it have no restriction. Example: Skylight, Blast, Toilet. System software. In system software, programs are designed to operate, control, enhances the processing capabilities of the computer. Reference: Wikipedia and its lectures. Types of system software: operating system. An operating system is a software which manages computer hardware and software resources. It also provides common services to computer programs. Utilities software is a system software which is manufactured to help analyze, configure, optimize, or to maintain a computer. It also helps in maintenance and problem solving of computer. Common types of utility program: hardware utilities, virus detection and recovery utility, file compression utilities, spam, pop-up blocker utilities, backup, uninstall. Custom software: this is software which is specially made for an organization as per their requirements. Example: attendance system, security code system. Web application: a web application is any application that uses a web browser. Example: Google Docs, Dropbox. Open source software. Open source software is made available to everyone and can be changed, modified and distributed to public without any notification. Example, Linux, Model, WordPress, Drupal. Device driver. Device driver is actually a communication device between device and computer. It's load every time in memory. When a new device is added, the driver should be installed in order to run the program. Features of system software: close to system, fast in speed, difficult to design, difficult to understand, less interactive, small in size, difficult to manipulate, generally written in low level language. थैंक यू। आप सब दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।